Which handheld steamer for travel is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Jack & Rose Travel Steamer. The Jack & Rose Travel Steamer really caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive feature set. Priced at $45.98, it promises a lot for those who travel often. If you want a reliable steamer that works globally, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a powerful 1,000 watts of steam that heats up in just 15 seconds, which is perfect when you're in a hurry. It operates on a wide voltage, from 100 volts to 220 volts, so you can use it anywhere, whether you're in Europe or Asia. Plus, the 5-ounce water tank gives you about 10 minutes of continuous steaming. Great for removing wrinkles from multiple outfits on the go. Now, some people complained about it being on the heavier side compared to other travel steamers. Here's the thing though, while it's 1.6 pounds, it's still compact enough to fit in a suitcase without taking up too much space. If you're packing light and trying to cut down on weight, this might not be ideal, but for effectiveness and reliability, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently for work or pleasure and need a dependable tool to keep your clothes looking fresh. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight, or if you only need it for the occasional quick touch-up. Now, if the weight of the Jack & Rose bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, OG Home Steamer for Clothes. Next up is the OG Home Steamer, priced at a budget-friendly $39.99. This little device packs a lot of punch for travelers. If you want something lightweight without sacrificing performance, this is worth a serious look. The OG Home really shines with its 1,000 watt power and fast heat-up time of just 30 seconds. It has 3 steam modes, which means you can handle everything from delicate silk to sturdy cotton with ease. It's compact enough to fit into your luggage, making it perfect for last-minute touch-ups just before a meeting or dinner. Now, some users mentioned that the steam output can be inconsistent at times. Here's the thing. If you're using it on complex fabrics, or if the water tank is running low, you might not get the results you expect. But if you're careful and keep the tank filled, it performs admirably. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, travel-friendly steamer that won't weigh you down. Skip this if you often deal with heavy fabrics that require a more powerful steamer. Overall, it offers great value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something more user-friendly. Product number 3, HiLife Portable Handheld Steamer. The HiLife Portable Handheld Steamer comes in at only $24.99, making it a great budget option for travelers. This caught my eye due to its simplicity and user-focused features. If you're looking for an economical choice that still gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. This steamer has a 700 watt power and a large 240 milliliter water tank, which allows for about 15 minutes of continuous steam. It's easy to maneuver, and with a 9-foot power cord, you can steam your clothes without being tethered too closely to an outlet. This makes it super handy for hotel rooms where outlets are often limited. However, some users reported issues with the steamer not being powerful enough for deeper wrinkles. Here's the thing. If you're just dealing with light wrinkles or need a quick refresh, it's perfect. But for heavier fabrics or tough wrinkles, you might need to run it over a few times. This is perfect for you if you're a traveler on a budget, looking for something lightweight and easy to use. Skip this if you're often dealing with formal wear or heavy fabrics that need a more intense steam treatment. It's a fantastic value for what you pay. Now, if the HiLife's power output isn't cutting it for you, the next steamer on the list is Product number 4, DR Flash 2-in-1 Steamer Solution. Check out the DR Flash 2-in-1 handheld garment steamer, priced at $40.37. What caught my attention here is its dual functionality as both a steamer and an iron. If you want versatility and speed, this is worth a serious look. This steamer heats up in just 15 seconds and offers 1,200 watts of power, which means it can tackle even the toughest wrinkles quickly. With 7 different modes for various fabrics, from delicate silk to sturdy cotton, this steamer is designed to meet diverse needs while traveling. The rotatable head also makes it easy to navigate tricky angles, making it user-friendly. but some users have pointed out that it can get quite hot, so extra care is needed. Here's the thing. If you're cautious and follow the instructions, it's manageable. But if you have kids or pets around, just keep it out of reach to prevent any accidents. This is perfect for you if you're someone who values efficiency and needs a versatile tool for different fabric types. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight, as it's a bit bulkier than other options. Still, for the price and features, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're after something specifically designed for travel without the added bulk, let's check out the final product. Product number 5, OG Home Handheld Clothing Steamer, priced at just $24.29. This model stood out to me because of its capacity and portable design. If you're after practicality without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. With a 240 milliliter capacity, this steamer can provide 15 minutes of steaming before needing a refill. It's lightweight and easy to use on all fabric types, so you can confidently tackle any outfit on your travels. The stainless steel heating panel also means it's built to last, which is a bonus for frequent travelers. However, keep in mind that it only works in 110 to 120 volt countries. Some users have mentioned this limitation as a downside, especially for international travelers. Here's the thing though, if you stick to regions like the US or Canada, you'll be totally fine. It's all about knowing where you're headed. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, budget-friendly option that handles most fabrics well. Skip this if you plan on traveling extensively to countries with different voltage standards. For the price, it offers solid performance and convenience. So, to wrap it all up, we've got the Jack & Rose for global travel, the OG Home for versatility, the High Life for budget-friendly simplicity, the DR Flash for dual functionality, and the other OG Home for practicality. Each has its own strengths, so think about your travel needs when choosing your steamer.